All right, everyone, how you doing today? Today we're gonna take a look at a way to make money on your smartphone with just this one app. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well to check out. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. There, you're gonna get a free membership, free training, free websites, a huge community of people to help you out, including myself. Use my link in the top description below, and I will contact you within that platform as well. It's a very unique website / platform and learning experience. So check that out as well, folks. All right, so let's check this out, folks. Basically, the app is called microwork.app. You want to go to not .com, microwork.app. Right now, it's for the Google Play Store. Apple Store is coming soon, so check that out. It might be there by the time you're watching this video. It pays by Ethereum, which is kind of like a Bitcoin. It's a cryptocurrency. And I'm going to show you in a second how to transfer that into cash and other things. And you can withdraw when you have $1. Basically, the tasks that you'll be doing, there's photos. Be the teacher, take photos of everyday items to help train artificial intelligence. Snap pictures of logos, clothing, furniture, and more. And even your face on some of them. Fashion, different fashion things here. A bunch of different things. There's a frequent asked questions you can go to and check that out as well. And like I said, they do pay Ethereum, which is, you come here, create a Coinbase account if you don't have one already, and then you have your Ethereum account. You could cryptocurrency here that you can, put it into there and transform it into Bitcoin or cash, whatever you want to do. So it's a pretty cool app. Something definitely worth checking out. It's just really quick app today, folks, or really quick video, I should say. Obviously, you're not gonna make tons of money doing this, but you can make some extra money, and it's a really cool thing to do. So check that out, folks. Also check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There's a link in the video description below. And also subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. I make videos very frequently. I have hundreds in my back catalog to check out as well. So check that out as well. Talk to you soon.